Once your displays have been configured, you'll find a few options in the Administrator tool. We'll go ahead and point out a few of those. If you go to the Edit menu and down to the Text Filter Setup, you'll open a window that allows you to enter words or phrases that you'd never want someone to send out to the display. So for example, if I never wanted my name sent out to the board, I'd type in my name at the top and click Add. This adds my name down below in the custom word or phrase box on the right, and then I would make sure that the User Custom List box is checked. To remove that name so that this tool no longer filters it, I'll simply highlight my name and click on Remove. There's also a default list that has been programmed by the Daktronics programmers that includes some profanity. If you wanted to use it, make sure you check the box next to Use Default List. Also, if you want to match the whole word only in a phrase, leave that box checked. Once you are done setting up the text filter, go ahead and click OK down at the bottom. The next feature I'd like to show you is again in the Edit menu as the Database option. This is where you can look at the path in which your files are stored on the hard drive. All the applications inside the software automatically point to this path. You can see here it's in C, Documents and Settings, All Users, Application Data, Daktronics, Venus 1500. If you wanted to use multiple computers on a network, you can go ahead and choose Remote Database and click on the Browse button off to the side, which would allow you to browse for a network drive. Here you would select the drive that you want to use as your database folder, and in that way multiple users would be able to share the same database. In addition, in the Edit menu, the Zoning Configuration option opens the window where we can set up restrictions to the display. For example, some areas have restrictions against a minimum hold time that a message can be played out to the display. Some may have restrictions as to no flashing text on the display, and some others may not allow the use of effects or transitions on the display. If you'd like to apply any of these restrictions to the software, simply put a check in the appropriate box, and then down at the bottom you can enforce that with the 3 different options. Once you establish the settings, go ahead and click on OK.